phenomenal beauties, and welcome back to the channel. I am Phenomenal Flawless. Ladies, in this video I'm going to show you how I am going to take two of my old summer dresses and create some really beautiful head wrap pieces that can be worn for any occasion, any time of the year. It's really easy and simple. All you have to do is take some old patterns you have and you can create this look. The tools you're going to need are, of course, a pair of handy dandy scissors, which you see me have here, and also your pieces, whatever type of pieces. Now ladies, you can do the same look not only with dresses, but you can do it with any type of clothing. I'm just using two old summer dresses here. Okay, so this is the first summer dress that I did cut off camera, by the way, and I did not realize I wanted to do a video until afterwards, so that's why she's already cut, you guys. But you will see I'm going to cut the other one here on camera for you. So here I'm just showing you that this is some stretch material. This is a very nice animal print dress with navy blue or kind of a purplish blue with some beautiful animal prints here, and it's really beautiful. This was one of my old summer dresses, which was like a hunter top dress with a little small decorations in the front of it. And as you can see, I've already cut one side down the seam, and I'm just showing you here how beautiful this pattern is. It's really nice, ladies. It's really nice. So I've already cut this one off camera, so I'm going to set this one to the side because I'm going to show you how easy you can achieve this look with any of your summer dresses. And so here I'm going to show you again. I'm opening it up again to show you guys really just how beautiful this pattern is. This material that this dress is made out of very well, like I said, it's a very stretchable material. So if you want to have some head wraps that are very flexible, stretchy, then you can find some pieces like that in your wardrobe. I'm sure that you'll probably want to change up and do something else with, so make a head wrap out of it. So yeah, the print on this dress is very pretty. I really like it. It's great for the summer and the fall season. Since fall is here, fall 2019 is here, this will work really great with a lot of my pieces. Okay, moving on to the next piece. This next dress that I am going to show you here is another summer dress that I am deciding to use as a head wrap piece. It has a very nice print. It has like the zebra print style to it, but it's in the color black and kind of peachy like color. And I'm showing you here that this is the actual dress. This is really a dress, and I'm showing you that I took the tag out, and those two little strings that you have to help you hang the dresses up on the hangers, I removed those off camera. So that's what I was showing you there. And so I'm showing you here, I'm showing you how long it is, I'm showing you how beautiful the pattern is, and also moving on, I'm showing you, I'm going to turn the dress inside out so that you can see it has seams on both sides, and that's what you're going to be working with. You can cut along the seams, or you can cut right beside the seams as closely as you can. So I'm turning it inside out so I'll be able to see the seam line better. So you will want to turn your pieces on the inside out. That would help you ensure that you're cutting along the seam line or close to the seam line, if that makes any sense to you, as much as possible, so that you won't cut your pieces in the wrong way. So I'm going to straighten it out really well. If you have someone to hold it for you, that may work for you, because I'm used to doing it. I just had my husband to record for me, and I was able to just use our bed to just lay it out and just fluff it out. So here you see I'm cutting along the seam line. I'm going to get as close to the seam as I can. So I didn't cut on the seam, which I said this choice right here is optional. You can cut on the seam or you can cut along the seam. And here I'm just going to cut as closely as I can to the seam of the dress on one side, because it's all I have to do is cut one side of the dress. You don't have to cut both sides where the seams are. You just need to cut one side to allow your dress to fan out to a larger piece of fabric. Now you're going to save coins here, by the way, with these options. With your old clothes, with your dresses, your old dresses, sundresses, you can turn a new use for them. And right here I'm just telling you guys this while I'm still here on camera. As you can see, I'm just cutting along the seams. So while I'm doing that, I'll tell this much with you guys for FYI. You can save a lot of money, because if you go and get this size pattern, let's say Walmart or a fabric center somewhere, it's going to cost you, because you know they charge by the yard, and they also charged by what type of fabric this is. By the way, this dress I'm using is 100% cotton, and I'm showing you here, ladies, that this is the top of the dress now. You can cut that whole part out if you have a dress made similar to mine. You can cut the whole part out, and you can cut completely along the seam line like I'm doing, straight down the middle, or you can just leave it uncut, if that makes any sense to you. And you can cut those little decorations off like I have on my dress. If you want, I'm showing you here, you can cut that off, or you can leave it. For now, I am going to leave it because it can help to create another look in my head wraps. It can become a design piece, if you will, in the front, the side, the back, however I decide to wrap this particular now what used to be a summer dress, now head wrap piece. So it's up to you. It's optional. Okay, so here I am just letting it stay folded out. I'm working with the piece of fabric now to show you how beautiful this print is. So that's why I'm rolling it out. So that's it. And now those two pieces are coming back together because I'm all done. And just like that, you can save you some coins, ladies, and voila, you'll have you some beautiful old pieces turned now to some new beautiful head wrap pieces. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Here are some photos of what the head pieces will look like and some of the styles that I created. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do become a part of my Phenomenal Wigs family. Hit that subscribe button. Do share this video. Do comment down below, and do hit your notification bell so you won't miss a video when I upload. Thank you so much, so much, ladies, for watching and tuning in with me. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video tutorial on how to take your old summer dresses pieces like I did here and create you a beautiful new Victorian princess queen look. Have a blessed one, my phenomenal beauties. I love you. Remember to use your spiritual gifts, because why? They're your gifts because God gave them to you. See you guys in my next video.